This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeremy Taylor. Welcome to your dream home, perfectly positioned near the picturesque Intracoastal Waterway. Prime location in Jensen Beach, close to public boat ramps, downtown Jensen, and some of the area's finest beaches. The home has been tastefully remodeled and is in move-in ready condition. Recent upgrades include metal roof, impact windows with plantation shutters, brick paver driveway, new kitchen and bathrooms, polished terrazzo floors in the bedrooms, and wood plank flooring in the living areas. Great private backyard for BBQs with patio space to dine while enjoying the coastal breeze. Fenced-in yard for the pets and plenty of space for a pool. Excellent restaurants, shopping, and entertainment all just a short drive away. This home offers a unique blend of comfort, convenience, and a coveted waterfront location. Don't miss the opportunity to make this your own personal paradise on the Treasure Coast. For more information, review the details below.